In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your screensaver settings on a Windows computer to not only personalize your device, but also to add a layer of security or even a touch of elegance to your setup. We'll walk through each step, ensuring that you can easily follow along and apply these changes to your own PC. Let's get started. First, begin by heading over to your Windows settings. You can easily do this by clicking on the Start menu, typically found at the bottom left of your screen, and then selecting the gear icon, which represents the Settings menu. Once you're in the Settings window, you're going to find that there are multiple categories available for you to choose from. The one we're interested in today is Personalization. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Upon clicking Personalization, you'll be greeted with several options on the left side of the window. Look for Lock Screen in this list and select it. The lock screen settings bring a variety of customization options concerning what shows up when your computer is locked. But for today, our focus will be on finding the screensaver settings. When you click on Screensaver, a new window should pop up. This pop-up window is your gateway to customizing how your screensaver behaves. If this window doesn't appear right away, just give it a moment, as sometimes it takes a little longer depending on what applications are currently running on your PC. In this window, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose the screensaver effects. Depending on what you have installed, you might see options like 3D text, bubbles, or photos. Feel free to experiment here and select the effect that best suits your preference. Each option provides a preview so you can see what it will look like before applying it. Next, you'll want to set how long your computer should wait before activating the screensaver. Typically, setting this to 5 minutes is ideal, long enough to kick in if you're away, but not too intrusive during short breaks. Type 5 into the wait box to set this duration. After you've chosen your desired screensaver effect and set the wait time, it's time to confirm your choices. Simply click the Apply button to save your settings, and then hit OK to exit the settings window. And that's it, you're all done. Your new screensaver settings are now in place. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, these little customizations can make your computer feel truly yours while also offering simple utility enhancements. Customize away and enjoy your new screensaver.